Simple review to let you decide if it's worth the upgrade. I have a Rainbird sprinkler controller, but I tried to connect it through the app and it just took a long time. So when this company EmoLaza reached out to me to try their controller, I thought I'd give it a shot. It's a little daunting looking at all the wires in the old controller, but I realized there's only 1, 2, 3, 4 zones and a C in my current system that I need to wire. As I install that, take a look at the app. The app was pretty easy to install and set up. It actually walked you through each zone and had you turn on the zone and then name it and then tell you what kind of soil you have, what kind of sprinklers you have, etc., and then waters for you automatically. It's kind of like hiring a landscaper to take care of the grass for you, which is nice. Now, there are pros and cons between the Rainbird that I had and the EmoLaza. Now, the first was the fact that on the Rainbird, if I didn't have an app or anything, I could program the sprinklers directly on the unit itself. Whereas the EmoLaza, you can definitely very easily control each of the zones just by pressing another zone and turning it on. That was actually much easier on the EmoLaza. But in order to program when it runs and how long it runs, you have to have an app, it seems. But if I'm honest, I would much rather have the app because the app is actually really good. I mean, in front, you can see the weather, you can see when it's going to run, how much usage it has. You can very easily manually control your zones. If I want 1 or 2 zones to run, minutes, done. Easy schedules, it shows you when it's going to run, and the zones, you can re-edit those. Lots of different settings. It seems very robust. There's so many details that you can dive into, but it actually seems to use the cloud and other data in the area to know how much and when to run. It's kind of like a manager that's taking care of your lawn for you. So far, I'd much rather prefer that. So thanks, EmoLaza, for reaching out and introducing this to me, and we'll see how it goes.